Today we will be installing the Skylight Calendar Max 27-inch.
You're watching Daddy DIY.
Alright, today we're installing this Calendar Max by Skylight, and we're going to be hanging it on the wall, installing it just how the instructions tell us to. But the only thing different is we're going to be hiding this cord in the wall. So we're going to start off first by locating the studs. All right, this is the mount kit that comes with the Skylight. I didn't have to buy anything extra to mount this. These are the instructions. You read the instructions, it tell you exactly how to mount this. So we're gonna line this up on the wall, and this will show us if the calendar will fit. So the thick black line is the outline of the actual calendar. All right, so it will fit in this spot. I'm going to make sure that this works for the whole family. Get on your knees. So she's gonna simulate our daughter and make sure that she can reach all the way up here to the top and hit all the buttons and, you know, get her reward points and everything for herself. So, all right, so since that works, now I'm going to tape this in place here, and then I'm going to drill the pilot holes for the mounting bracket. This is the mounting bracket. Get the mounting bracket out of this box. It has a level on it to make sure that the frame is flat and level. So now we're gonna drill our holes in here, make sure that they go all the way through, and then we'll have our spots and we can start putting our anchors in. All right, so this is the plug that's gonna go through and insert into the cabinet. I'm gonna cut out a square here big enough for that plug to go through. There's my pilot holes, and I'm gonna use my jigsaw here to cut that square out. Okay, I cut that hole for the power cord to come through, and that's way too big, because the opposite end of the power cord is like this big, and I could have just fed it through the other way. It's gonna give me a lot of room to work, but don't come in from the back side. All right, so let me fill you in. So here's the Skylight power cord that goes into the back of the device. So cut this hole out, didn't need it, but oh well, we're here now. So I made those little small holes, and then I'll fill those in with caulk. So let's go through, and this goes into our pantry, and it's coming out right here underneath this grate. Then I have it running back to the back of the wall in the corner, then all the way up, and then across to that corner, and then coming through that wall of the pantry. Then it's coming out, coming out the top of the pantry there. Okay? So from there, the Skylight will be plugged into that extension cord, which will be plugged into the Skylight there, then come across and down and plug into this cabinet, which will be closed. So it'll be plugged in that cabinet, coming out through that cabinet, sitting across up there, coming in through there, coming across, down, and power over to the Skylight. So there it is, I have power running through that cord now, through the pantry, coming out here, and we come out our Skylight. Okay, so I'm gonna use the hardware that came along with it. Okay, we got anchors, screws. Oh snap, and a drill bit that came with it. Look at that. Now, whatever size they tell me, I always like to go a tad bit smaller with my drill, so I have to kind of tap it and force it in. And I like to put Loctite around the anchor, around the anchor. All right, so as you can see here, I'm just drilling in my pilot holes. And then now I'm hammering in my anchors here, adding some Loctite. Now I'm going to barely start these screws in here, pull my cord through, make sure it's in the proper place, and then finish the screws. Pressing my plate on here, making sure that it's flat, it's level, using the level that's provided on the bracket. Now I'm just going to use some duct tape to cover up this hole that I cut too big. Now I'm going to plug up the calendar, install it on this bracket, and we're done. All right, gonna put these magnetic frames on that came with it around the side. Sleep. Wake it back up. Do whatever it is you're trying to do on it. And then in 5 minutes, it'll go back into the screen cycle. On there. Okay.
Daddy DIY, the channel of arts, crafts, and do-it-yourself projects. Keep watching for more videos from me, Daddy DIY.